you guys, it's Lynnea with a video for Penguin Palace, and today I'm using one of my favorite stamp sets from them. It's the Penguin Agenda stamp set, and it is this cute little stamp set with these little mini penguins, and there are penguins for all kinds of occasions. You know, birthdays, going to the movies, there's a mailman penguin, so super cute. And today I'm going to be focusing on the little penguin wearing the birthday hat. I don't know about you, but I am always short on birthday cards. And I'm always especially short on birthday cards for the guys in my life. It's really easy for me to create a frilly pink and purple birthday card, but it's a real struggle for me to create a birthday card that would be good for a guy. And I'm constantly taking my cards to my husband and being like, hey, if you got this in the mail, would you think this was meant for you or for a girl? So today I'm going to try my best at a color scheme that is good for guys, but then you can also use it for girls. So I'm going to be coloring my penguins, and I have 6 stamped here, and 3 of them are going to be like a minty teal color, and the other 3 are going to be green. So I'm going to keep in the coloring just for like one penguin, because then I'm just going to repeat it 3 times. So for this first one, I've used the BG's 1315 for the penguin. The hats are all going to be the same, the Y15 and the Y17. And then I use just some neutral grays for the remaining stripes. C0 is what I used for the other stripes on the hat and the little pom-pom on top, because I wanted it to appear white. And so I also did that for the belly of the penguin. I just kind of went around the line, and that kind of gives the illusion of a shadow, but still keeping the appearance white. My greens are YG17 for my dark, YG25 for my light. And again, I'm not going to keep in all the coloring because, I'm just colored 3 penguins the same way and colored 2 colors. So I'll end up with 6 penguins. I have this striped stencil, and I just sprayed the back of it with my pixie spray. And you could do this so that it is either vertical or horizontal. I did horizontal today, and I just stuck that down onto the front of my card base, and then I'm going to be doing some ink blending over the top. I will ink up the whole stencil with squeezed lemonade distress ink, and I'm just using a blending tool to do that, and I'm just going to go over the whole thing with the squeezed lemonade, and then towards the center I will come in with a darker color, and I do believe that I used fossilized amber, and I'm just going to blend that into the middle so that it kind of blends dark in the middle and lighter towards the edges, and not really taking any care to do careful blending, because this is going to give me really thin stripes, so you're not really going to be able to tell if the ink is splotchy at all. I just wanted to have a good covering of the color. And I picked yellow because to me yellow is kind of a neutral color. It could be for girls, could be for guys, and I thought that it really went well with the teals and the greens for the penguins. So once I have all of my ink onto my card base, I'm just going to peel back that stencil, and you can see here that I have that gradient of color with the dark in the center and the lighter towards the edges. And I did die cut all of my little penguins with the coordinating Penguin Agenda die cuts. I cut them all out, and now I'm just going to go playing around with them and figure out how I want them to be, because originally I thought I would want them alternated in their colors and stacked, and so I was just playing around seeing if I wanted to stack them in a vertical orientation or a horizontal, and in the end I liked them all standing next to each other holding hands in a straight line. So I'm going to add some foam squares behind the penguins, and as I adhere these down, I'm starting on the edges. So I'll start with this green penguin all the way on the left, and then do the teal penguin all the way over on the right. And that's just to make sure that I have equal spacing. I didn't want to have, like a 1/4 of an inch of my card showing on the left and a 1/2 inch on my right. That just tweaks me. So I am going to finish up here, and then I will stamp a sentiment, and that will finish off my card. You guys can head over to the Penguin Palace Stamps blog for more information, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.